Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how I got this hair color. I'll be using my glove, developer, bleach and my mixing bowl. So firstly I'm going to put 3 scoops of bleach into my mixing bowl and pour my developer into it and mix. This is how thick it is, and now I'm going to apply it to my hair. Here we go. I'm going to cover my hair with a shower cap to get enough heat. This is what it looks like after 20 minutes. Now I have rinsed it, but I haven't gotten the color I want, so I'm going to apply the mixture for the second time. After 20 minutes, I rinsed my hair, and now I'll be applying my purple shampoo to it and rinse. Now I'll be applying my keratin treatment, and I'm going to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Now for the second step, I'll be using my mixing bowl, conditioner and adult dye in cosmic yellow. Conditioner first in my mixing bowl, then I will add my adult dye and mix it. Now I will be applying it to my hair. I like massaging the dye into my hair so it can blend well. I'm going to leave the dye on my hair for 30 minutes before rinsing. This is what it looks like when it is dried after rinsing, and here's the final result. Thanks for watching. See you next time.